Alright, let's do some spinning on this one. Alright, red screen. Oh, nice. Nice. Very nice. Heck yeah, I'll take that. Nice. So I'm at Highlands. Nice. I put $60 in this machine and used my $60 free play, so I had like 120 total. So I think I will probably cash out at that 800. Very nice. Okay, let's do two $10 pushes. And last one. Alright, nice profit. Alright, this is a $5 max bet. Goodness. Wow. Damn, that was awesome. I was not seeing that pattern up there at all. Alright, definitely take that. Heck yeah. Play this down to 1,300. Nice. That was a nice, awesome hit. Not gonna hit anything else probably. That's alright though, I'll take that. Be a one-hit wonder. That's alright. It's $800 one-hit wonder. square, didn't it? Alright, 3 more spins and I think I'll call it good. Alright, I'll take that.